dig into it, we'll get to know what books it is about. So about the book, it has 198 pages. It costs 185, and over 1 million copies of this book has been sold. It is published in 50 languages, and in India it is published by Jayco Books. So talking about the author, Robin Sharma is the native of Jammu and Kashmir. He is a lawyer by profession, and before writing The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, he has studied the life of the strategy of actually satisfying people who are satisfied and who are able to fulfill their goals. So he has studied the life for 10 years before writing this book, and now he's America's most thought-provoking, most dynamic leader. And he is really now he's helping a lot of organizations like Microsoft is there, FedEx is there, NASA is there to evolve and help their employees to live a more satisfying and improve the quality of the life. So this book starts with a very beautiful quote from George Bernard Shaw. The light is no brief candle for me. It's a splendid torch that I want to burn as brightly as possible before passing it to the future generation. So this book really the essence of what this book really carries. So in short, it's a tale about fulfilling your dreams and reaching your destiny. So it has here I will be talking about two things: the characters of the book, and second, what is the teachings and principles of the book which has been told here. First character is Julian Mansell. He's a very rich lawyer. Rich lawyers have a very successful life. Practice is going really well, and every success is asking more success from him. So he has at the age of 80, he was looking at 70, and one time he makes a quote that I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. So at one time he in the law court he falls in a heart attack, and he's gone to the hospital. And from there he realizes what his life is all about, what he really wants out of life. And that is when the miraculous transformation in his life begins. The second character is John Lake. He is the guy who is really narrating the story. And he is the guy who is a co-worker of Julian Mansell. Julian Mansell enlightening his life and asking him that pass this information to the coming to other people also. So he is the third character, Yogi Ramanna. When Julian Mansell realizes what the life is all about, and he wanted to really explore what is the goal of life, how to transform your life. So he goes to India, spends there 3 years, and under the aegis of Yogi Ramanna, he learns the principle of life and the three fundamental principles. So this is let's explore what he got to know about from him. So this is the KT knowledge transfer. It's more of IT stuff. So here, in this, Yogi Ramanna transfers knowledge and gives his knowledge to the transformed Julian Mansell, and who hence cross passes to